Today's tour that we did with NATO Innovation Fund was really important. Not least because today we started the build of our next mission as well, which commences the third build that we've started this year. I think the other thing that this tour shows is really how dense the manufacturing unit that we have at Spaceforge HQ has become. When we started in this building, we started with a shell. We then built Wales's first space-grade clean room that was commercial. We upgraded that clean room now 3 times. We added an electronics lab, a mechanical workshop, a payload bay, advanced materials, manufacturing and experimentation. And that's all been in something which is about 5,000 square feet. So to be able to not only have seen how the facility has transformed, but also to bring the NATO Innovation Fund in on a day where we are using every single piece of equipment in every single room and lab that we have, it's a really good day to do a tour.
If I think about what Josh and Andrew and the Spaceforge team are trying to accomplish, I can't think of a larger vision. And this is essentially a company that's trying to combine space with manufacturing to affect our lives here on Earth. And so from the NATO Innovation Fund's perspective, we really exist to back the bold entrepreneurs like Spaceforge who are developing the technology that's going to secure the Alliance's future. And when I think about the impact that Spaceforge can have on that future, it affects all of the major technology verticals that touch our daily lives. It's affecting infrastructure, it's affecting energy, space, manufacturing, bringing materials back from space here on Earth to provide advantages and applications that touch everything that we do in our daily lives. I can't think of a bigger mission and something more aligned with the NATO Innovation Fund and what we started and what our mission is.